Right here, people, on today's video I'll be showing you how to replace a battery on an iPhone 6s. You have the tools that we need right here: tweezers, replacement battery, and tape to stick down the batteries. So let's get to it. Initial startup, there's 2 screws at the bottom of the iPhone. As you can see, I already took it out. Yeah, right here. So now second part is opening up the phone. It's better to use your hand instead of a tool. Some tools have sharp edges, might cut, so you raise it up with your nails. Sorry about that. Get a notification on my phone. Turn off the phone. First, there's 2 screws over the battery area where the connector is. Take them off. Hold on 1 second there. The shield where it covers the battery connector is off. Now right here, disconnect the battery terminal. It's off. There's 2 pull tabs at the bottom here at the phone. The pull tabs is where the glue strip here is maybe easy to pull off, so you can reinstall on your battery. So you gently pull the tabs, not too rough, you might rip it. Pull slowly. You can see I'm pulling out one right now. Slowly, take your time, you don't want it to rip. Most technicians heat the back to take it off, but once the battery is being replaced for the first time, you will have these pull tabs. There's one off. On to the next. Second one off. The battery is easily raised. Right, so it's time to prepare for the screen to be installed. I mean the battery to be installed. New battery. Right, so we are about to prep the new battery for installation. Plastic coating over the new battery. New pull tab. Now installing new battery into the housing. Proper lineup.